it's Shannon and Samwin, and
today
we're gonna ride a monster.
A monster. Well, my dog, but yeah, he doesn't want to come out, so we're gonna get him out.
Okay.
Come on, Toby. Come on. Come on. He's lazy. Come on, Toby. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Got you. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, here he is, but he's really tired and lazy. Up. Good boy. We're gonna ride him now. Whoop! Hey, don't bite me. Yeah, giddy up. Oh my gosh, he's gonna eat me. Okay, ready? Woo! I'm riding.
He's trying to eat me.
Oh.
When he's not looking at it, I want to go on.
Oh, and so now you want back in there. Okay, so, well, yeah, he's gonna bite our heads off. So, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.